In this video, we're going to take a look at how to find the average value of a function. In this first example, it says find the average value of the function f of x is equal to x squared times the square root of 1 plus x cubed over the interval from 0 to 2. And our average function formula is going to be f average is equal to 1 over b minus a times the integral from a to b of f of x dx. So 0 is our a and 2 is our b. So the average value is 1 over 2 minus 0 times the integral from 0 to 2 of x squared times the square root of 1 plus x cubed dx. And here we're going to need to use u substitution, so u is equal to 1 plus x cubed du is equal to 3x squared dx, and then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So I have 1/3 du is equal to x squared dx. And now we can do our substitution. So I have 1/2 and then the integral, and here we have x squared dx is equal to 1/3 du. So I'm going to put the 1/3 out front as well, and then we're going to have a du, and then our u is equal to 1 plus x cubed. So we have u to the 1/2, and now we need to change our limits of integration so that they're consistent with our u variable. So we have 0 in for x gives us 1, and if we put 2 in for x, 2 cubed is 8 plus 1 is 9. So I have 1/2 times 1/3 gives me 1/6 times u to the 3/2 divided by 3/2, which is the same as multiplying by 2/3 from 1 to 9. And now I have 1/6 times 2/3, which gives me 1/9 times 9 to the 3/2 minus 1 to the 3/2. And when you put this into your calculator, you end up getting 26 over 9. So 26 over 9 is the average value of this function from 0 to 2. In this next example, it says find the value or values for c for the function over the given interval. For this problem, we're going to need to use f of c times b minus a is equal to the integral from a to b of f of x dx. And then when we plug in what we know, we'll solve for c. So we have f of c, which is 5 minus 1 over c, times 4 minus 1 is equal to the integral from 1 to 4 of 5 minus 1 over x dx. And 4 minus 1 is 3, so on the left side we have 15 minus 3 over c is equal to, on the right side when we integrate, we get 5x minus the ln of x evaluated from 1 to 4. And then when we evaluate, we get 5 times 4 is 20 minus the ln of 4 minus 5 times 1 is 5 minus the ln of 1. And now when we simplify the right side, we get 20 minus 5 is 15, and then minus the ln of 4. And remember, the ln of 1 is 0, so we don't have to worry about that. And now we have 15 on either side, so those are going to cancel each other out. Subtract 15 from both sides. And now I have negative 3 over c is equal to negative ln of 4 over 1. And then I have cross multiply, so negative ln of 4 times c is equal to negative 3. And now when I divide, I get c is equal to 3 divided by the ln of 4. The two negatives cancel each other. So the c value that gives us the average function is 3 divided by the ln of 4. And that's our video on average value of a function.